The Supreme Court on May 24 refused to pass any interim order on petition filed by the NGO Association for Democratic Reforms or ADR, seeking booth-wise voter turnout data. The ADR has been advocating for the Election Commission of India to publish polling station-wise voter turnout data on its website within 48 hours of the conclusion of polling for each phase of Lok Sabha elections. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. A vacation bench of Justices Dipankar Datta and Satish Chandra Sharma observed that the interim prayer sought in the present petition was similar to the relief raised in main petition pending before the top court since 2019. The bench, however, clarified that no opinion has been expressed on the merits apart from this prima facie view. The order read that the arguments on the interim application were heard. Prima facie, we are not inclined to grant any relief on the interim application at this stage in the view of similarities and prayers in the interim application and writ petition. The grant of relief in the interim application would amount to the grant of final relief. Relish the applications before the appropriate bench after vacations. We have not expressed any opinion on merits apart from the prima facie view expressed above. Justice Datta said granting the interim prayer would amount to giving the final relief in the writ petition itself. The judge ordered that the matter to be listed before appropriate bench after vacation in July. Senior advocate Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi appeared for the Mitra. Senior advocate Dushyant Dave appeared for ADR and senior advocate Maninder Singh appeared for the ECI. On May 17, the Apex Court asked the EC to submit a response to a petition seeking scanned copies of Form 17C to be uploaded on the ECI website as and when the voting concludes. Interestingly, the ADR's application was listed alongside a writ petition filed by TMC leader Mahua Moitra back in 2019. Moitra's petition alleges that discrepancies in voter turnout data of 2019 general elections. The ADR in its application had flagged a sizable difference in initial voter turnout figures released by the poll body soon after the conclusion of polling and the final voter percentage published subsequently. The alleged irregularities have also resulted in opposition leaders and civil society members demanding for publication of Part 1 of the Form 17C. Data on the poll body's website under 495(2), the Conduct of Election Rules. 1961, a presiding officer is mandated to furnish a copy of entries made in Form 17C to the polling agents of the candidates at the closing of polling. On May 22, the Election Commission of India submitted an affidavit strongly opposing the ADR's plea. The ECI argued that there is no legal requirement to publish final authenticated data regarding voter turnout of all the polling stations. Furthermore, the poll panel cautioned that releasing the turnout data information from Form 17C, which includes the number of votes casted in each polling station, could cause confusion among the voters. This is because it would indicate the counts from the postal ballots as well. In its affidavit, the Election Commission questioned the ADR's intentions, accusing the NGO of consistently running a malified campaign aimed at raising doubts and suspicions about the conduct of elections. The ECI argued that there is no legal mandate for the general public to access Form 17C, which records the voter cast at each polling station. According to the ECI, only polling agents of the candidates are entitled to receive this form. The ECI further warned that uploading Form 17C online could lead to mischief and confusion among the voters, potentially eroding trust in the electoral process. It also said that in any electoral contest, the margin of victory may be very close. The ECI argued that Form 17C, currently stored in securely strong room and only accessible to the polling agents whose signatures it bears, is designed to maintain a secure, traceable form and record of the polling process. At the moment, the original form of 17C is only available in the strong room and the copy is only with the polling agent whose signature it bears. Therefore, there is no one-to-one relationship between each Form 17C and its processor, the Commission told the top court. The Supreme Court had sought a detailed response from ECI after hearing the plea filed by Association of Democratic Reforms, that is ADR. It directed the Commission to uphold polling station-wise voter turnout data on its website within 48 hours of polling of each phase of ongoing Lok Sabha elections. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.